Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the question answer of chapter Monday morning. तो बच्चों बिना देर किए हुए हम स्टार्ट करते हैं. जो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हाई डिड टॉम विश ही वाज सिक. टॉम की ऐसा इच्छा क्यों थी, है ना, यानी कि टॉम बीमार होने की कामना क्यों करता था, है ना. यू कैन रिप्लाई दिस क्वेश्चन, ही कुड देन स्टे होम फ्रॉम स्कूल, चूँकि वो स्कूल नहीं जाए और घर रह सके. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट वाज रॉन्ग विथ टॉम्स टू. It was little sure. Question number third, why did Tom decide to hold his loose tooth in reserve? You can reply this question, he feared that his aunt would pull it out and it would hurt. Question number four, what was Sid doing while Tom was groaning? Sid was deep sleep and was snoring. Question number 5. What did Tom do to make Sid wake up? You can reply this question in this way, Sid woke up only when Tom shook him. Question number 6. You can reply this question, why did Aunt Polly ask Tom to shut up and climb out of his bed? You can reply this question, she saw that there was nothing serious with Tom and he was just fooling. Question number 7. Describe Aunt Polly's dental instruments. You can reply this question in this way, it was just a silk thread and a pan of burning coals. Question number 8. Says, how did Aunt Polly pull out Tom's loose teeth? What does they show about her character? The reply of this question will be, she tied one end of the silk thread to Tom's tooth, she tied the other end to the bedpost, then she took a pan of burning coals. Suddenly she thrust it almost into Tom's face. In fear, Tom drew his face away. The loose tooth at once got pulled out with the silk thread. This incident shows that Aunt Polly is a sensible, intelligent, and practical woman. She loves Tom but also knows how to deal with his mischiefs. Question number 9 says, what idea do you form about Tom from this story? You can reply this question in this way, that Tom disliked going to school. He always tried to stay home from school. He was particularly unhappy on Monday mornings. He thought with Monday begin another week's suffering at school. Tom had a sharp mind. He could invent many excuses. Sometimes his excuses did not work. His little tricks make us laugh. Question number 10. Comment on Sid's role in the story. There is not much role of Sid in this story. You can reply this question in this way, Sid plays an important role in the story. It is he who brings a progression in the story. But for him, the story could not have moved forward. It is he who informs Aunt Polly of Tom's trouble, and from there the story reaches its climax. Next question number 11. It says, one of the boys says sour grapes. Why does he say that, and what does he mean by it? You can reply this question, we say sour grapes for someone who pretends to dislike something which he himself cannot have or do. One of the boys says that there is nothing big about Tom's way of aspiting. He says this because he himself can't do it the way Tom can. This is what one of the boys means when he says sour grapes. Question number 12. What was Tom's trial and what was the compensation he got? Tom's trial was the pain he had to undergo when his tooth was pulled out by Aunt Polly. The compensation he got was the envy of the boys who saw him expectorate in new and admirable way. Okay, thus we completed the question answer, and the next point is HOTS. In HOTS, there are two questions, and the question first says, suppose you are unpolished of the story. Say how you felt and what you did when she told you that Tom was dying. मान लो कि आप इस कहानी में आपका जो रोल है वो अनपोली का है और आपसे आकर के सिड बताता है कि टॉम मर रहा है, आप क्या करोगे? क्वेश्चन सेकंड है, क्वेश्चन नंबर सेकंड says that how you saw Tom was only pretending to be in pain and what you did then, है ना? आपको कैसे पता चला कि सिड केवल बहाना टॉम केवल बहाना कर रहा है, फिर आपने क्या किया? ओके, यू कैन रिप्लाई दिस क्वेश्चन बाय रीडिंग द both points, and the next question we are going to solve word power. Word power, find from the box three other words that have almost the same meaning. तो यहाँ पे ये जो मीनिंग दिया गया सीज, सामने वाले बॉक्स से में इसके 3 सिनोनिम्स को चूज करना है जिसका मीनिंग सेम आता है. सीज, फर्स्ट वर्ड सीज. तो सीज जो हमारा वर्ड है, इसके लिए क्या क्या वर्ड हम सिनोनिम में यूज कर सकते हैं? सेम वर्ड, ग्रास्प, क्लच, कैप्चर. फॉर ऑफुल, fearful, horrible, dreadful. Groan, moan, grumble, lament. Response, reply, answer, reaction. Investigate, examine, search, inquire. Okay, you can reply this question in this way, and after that यूज़ द फॉलोइंग फ्रेजेस इन द सिंपल सेंटेंस ऑफ योर ओन. जो सेकंड क्वेश्चन है, यहाँ पे कुछ फ्रेज दिया गया है जैसे कि एट ऑल. एट ऑल मतलब होता है बिल्कुल, है ना? तो इसको हमें सेंटेंस में यूज करना है. यू कैन यूज दिस वर्ड्स इन सेंटेंसेस लाइक द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस विल बी आई एम नॉट एट ऑल सेटिस्फाइड विथ योर वर्क. सेकेंड, वी फेल टू ईटिंग एज सोन एज द डिनर वॉज सर्व्ड. थर्ड, द thief ran off with a policeman at his heels. Question number 4. She came running and gasped out a few words. Question number 5. I need only 50 rupees for the present. Question number 6. Although we lost, our team played with great spirit. Next question says, question number 3. Use the following pairs of words in sentences to show the difference in their meanings. तो बच्चों यहाँ पे दो वर्ड दिया गया है, दोनों का मीनिंग डिफरेंट है. तो मीनिंग को शो करने के लिए आपको सेंटेंस में इन्हें यूज करना होगा. जैसे DIE, डाई. डाई मीन्स यू नो मरना, एंड DYA, डाई. डाई मीन्स एक तरह का जो सो कि क्या करना है, सेब बनाना भी होता है, बनाना भी, रंगना भी होता है. डाई. Die means you can use this word in this way. The old man died at night. Old man रात को मर गया. She dyed her hair brown. और उसने उसके बालों को ब्राउन कलर से कलर कर दिया. Sore. I have sore throat. Sour. The grapes are sour. Pain. Both are pain, but meanings of both are different. I had a little pain in my leg, and second, a pane of my window is broken. In this way you can form the sentences from all words. I hope you will not get any kind of difficulty. Then after we are going to solve grammar in use. ग्रामर इन यूज में जो हमारा फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है वो कह रहा है कि ज्वाइन द फॉलोइंग पेयर्स ऑफ सेंटेंसेस बाय यूजिंग बिकॉज का यूज करके जो नीचे सेंटेंस दिया गया उसे हमें क्या करना है, ज्वाइन करना है. जैसे कि यहाँ पे आप देख पा रहे हैं कि 2 सेंटेंस अलग अलग दे आपके बुक में है. एक है जो फर्स्ट नंबर है ही डिडंट वर्क हार्ड, ही फेल्ड। तो इसको इस तरीके से एग्जाम्पल में आप देख पा रहे हैं कि ही फेल्ड बिकॉज ही डिडंट वर्क हार्ड, ही फेल्ड बिकॉज ही डिडंट वर्क हार्ड। द सेकेंड विल बी वी विल सक्सीड बिकॉज he has worked hard. Third, you should start early because it is a long journey. Question number fifth is he is not going to work because there is a strike. And question number fifth, the meeting had to be postponed because it was raining heavily. And question number six, Aunt Polly was angry with Tom because he had made a row over nothing. Okay, in this way you can join both the sentences. Then after the second question, the second is rewrite each sentence using not dot 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 any in place of no. तो no के जगह पे आपको not any का प्रयोग करके सेंटेंस को लिखना है। जैसे फर्स्ट सेंटेंस समझाया गया आपको, he covered nothing. You can write this sentence, he did not discover anything. He discovered nothing. Then you can write this sentence you can write this. Okay, today we are going to do question number second. Rewrite each sentence using not any in place of no. Then you can write the first sentence, he did not discover anything. Second would be don't come anywhere near me. Third, they didn't find anybody at home. Fourth, they didn't go anywhere after supper. Fifth, they hadn't done any work for 4 days. And question number 6, my uncle can't see anything without glasses. And then after the third and the last question of this chapter, correct the following sentences. जैसे कि जो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस है, सिड आस्क टॉम व्हाट वाज द मैटर, इसमें थोड़ी सी गलती है, उसको सुधार करके बनाया गया है। सिड आस्क टॉम व्हाट द मैटर वाज, सिड आस्क टॉम व्हाट द मैटर वाज। इन दिस वे यू कैन राइट द सेकेंड सेंटेंस, आई आस्क द लिटिल गर्ल व्हाट हर नेम वाज। एंड थर्ड, अनपुली आस्क टॉम व्हाई ही वाज क्राइंग। फोर्थ, द टीचर आस्क्ड मिसा वेयर she was going. Fifth, I asked the tailor when my dress would be ready. Question number 6, the teacher asked Mohan why he had told a lie. Okay students, in this way you can complete all these sentences and solution of this chapter. Then after again we meet in next video. तब तक के लिए बाय एंड टेक केयर.